In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from bank to your Payoneer account. So first, go ahead and open Payoneer on your browser, sign into your account and set up your balances. So select the specific balance that you want to money to. Now in here, click on this request a payment. Click on the by billing them directly or via a marketplace platform. And since we want to add money to our account, this isn't the option that we want to use. You can go ahead and click on this get bank account details to get USD bank account details for your Payoneer account. Click on the get started button to proceed and your local receiving account for this Payoneer account currency. So head over into the next section. Once you have requested a receiving account for this specific currency, you'll need to actually provide the government issued ID and answer receiving account questionnaire to proceed. Once you have actually verified your account and set this account up, you can go ahead and add money into your Payoneer account. Make sure to verify your account before you make any transactions on Payoneer, since you won't be able to transfer money from the app if you don't have your account verified yet. And that is how you can simply transfer money from bank to Payoneer. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.